So this is how you can get the white dot on your iPhone, and let's get started. So the white dot might mean more things to more people, but most likely you are referring to the assistive touch. So it is like a floating button or a dot on the screen, and upon clicking on it, it gives you some very useful buttons and controls to navigate your iPhone. Right, so it might give you the option to go to home screen or open the app switcher or some other shortcut. And in order to set it up, you need to open up the settings app and navigate to the accessibility section. Then part of the accessibility is what's called a touch menu, and then at the top we have the assistive touch. So at first you need to make sure it's turned on. Once you enable it, then it's going to appear on the screen like that, and you can customize what happens when you tap it once, tap it twice, like double tap it, and also when you hold on it. So yeah, you can pick the options. I like to keep it that a menu opens up when I single tap it, and then I can customize the actual menu. And this makes it very useful because I can literally pick anything I want in here. I can remove or add more toggles, and yeah, it's just very useful. But one last option, which I think you should not forget about, is the idle opacity. So whenever you are not using the white dot or the button, you might not want it to stand in the way of your actual content. And there is a clever way of making sure that doesn't happen by essentially just lowering down the opacity of the button when you do not use it. You can make it go as low as 15%, so it really makes sense to just make it go all the way to the bottom, because you still can see that it's there and you can still use it, but it doesn't stand in the way, it doesn't block anything useful. So that's it. That's everything I really wanted to show you in this video. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.